Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove favorite list on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. You can see I will show you there's an account that I've already added to my favorites. Now we'll remove this account from my favorite list. You can click on the profile, tap on your profile over here. Tap on the three lines on the upper right corner over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down. You can see there's an option, favorites. Tap on that. Now you can choose account that you want to remove from your favorite list. I will choose all this account. I will remove all this account from my favorite list. You can tap remove. You can tap remove. Or you can just tap on remove all. Tap on remove all. So there's no more account on your favorite list. We can go back. We can scroll. We can reload the page of your feed. Now, there's no more star icon on this account. That means we've already removed that account from our favorite list. So that is how to remove your favorite list on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!